Welcome back. It's now 5:30, and the attorneys for the next man up on Indiana's death row are asking the Indiana Supreme Court for more time to gather information on our state's lethal injection drug.
The Indiana Attorney General wants the court to set an execution date for Roy Ward. Rich Nye has the details on new court findings that could delay the legal process in Indiana's death penalty.
So far, the state has executed 2 men since resuming the death penalty late last year. Roy Ward would be the 3rd, but the governor has said Indiana is out of the execution drug. Attorneys for Roy Ward say that they have asked the Indiana Supreme Court, that is, for an extension to a total of 45 days to respond to the state's request to set an execution date for Ward. The defense says it needs more time because the Indiana Department of Correction has not responded to 2 requests in the past 2 months for information on execution drug cost, supply, and procedures. Ward's attorneys also say the reported cost of nearly $300,000 a dose legally requires a competitive bidding process. They also raise concerns about witnesses seeing Benjamin Ritchie violently lift his head and shoulders during his execution in May.
The state doesn't have the drugs, and we have recent clear evidence that the lethal executions are not being carried out in a constitutional manner. So I think that raises fundamental questions about the state's ability to lawfully carry out executions, both practically and in legal matters.
Roy Ward raped and murdered 15-year-old Stacy Payne during a home invasion in southern Indiana in 2001. He received the death penalty in 2007. The Attorney General has already filed a response saying no extension should be granted to Ward because these are not issues related to setting an execution date. And the Attorney General says the defense can raise these issues if they so choose once this goes to an execution date and they want to file further litigation for a stay of execution.
Yeah, we know you'll continue to follow it. Rich Nye, thanks so much.